Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make green salsa for chilaquiles. This vibrant, tangy salsa is the heart of a truly authentic chilaquiles dish. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, focusing on quality to ensure a delicious outcome. You'll need about 2 pounds of tomatillos, a few serrano peppers for heat, and some aromatic vegetables. Getting these foundational elements right is key to a flavorful salsa verde. Next, we'll roast our tomatillos, serrano peppers, and 1/4 of an onion. Place them on a hot comal or baking sheet and cook until they are softened and slightly charred, about 10 to 15 minutes. This step is crucial for developing a rich, smoky flavor that elevates the salsa. Once roasted, transfer them to a blender with 2 raw garlic cloves and a splash of chicken broth, then blend until smooth. Now pour your freshly blended salsa into a saucepan with about 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. This simmering time is essential. It allows all the flavors to fully meld and deepen, transforming the raw taste into a rich, cohesive sauce. Adjust the consistency with a little more chicken broth if you prefer a thinner salsa. Finally, season your simmering salsa with salt to taste and stir in about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro just before serving. This bright herb adds a wonderful freshness. Your delicious homemade green salsa is now perfect for drenching crispy tortilla chips to create amazing chilaquiles. Remember, you can always adjust the spice level by adding more or fewer serrano peppers. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.